All she wanted was a balloon. Her older brother is running around. She's the one who likes to just look around and take it all in, but she's having a good time. I love to look up free stuff in the community to do for us and our family, so I found this, and it was great for them to learn and see the fire trucks up close, so we thought we'd come out.
Yeah, was it everything you expected?
Yes, they're having fun. It's something so simple, but something great to do on a Sunday afternoon.
Wants to be a firefighter for Halloween, so perfect opportunity to come and check out the station. Oh, it definitely exceeded our expectations. A lot of activities for kids, like a dunk boot, and they get to actually, use the fire hose and get inside of a fire truck. So I think this is as good as it can get.
What's the best part of the job?
Making a difference, helping people, that actually need help. Yeah, he'd make a good fireman.
Think he's a chip off the old block?
I think so. Spitting image.
The apple never falls far, huh?
That's right. That's right. I guess I'm an apple tree.
Today's our annual open house for Fire Prevention Month. Fire Prevention Month is to teach people fire safety in their home and a little bit about our trade and what we do to help the community out. Exit drills in the homes, smoke detectors, safe cooking habits. We show a show of our extrication equipment and our equipment on our vehicles. Just like to make sure that the City of Hazel Park citizens and anybody that visits is aware that we're here and we're happy to serve, and we want to continue to serve and provide the best service possible for our community.